Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. Well, as you can see, I'm missing a little something from the front of my car. So, without any further ado, let's get to the video and I'll explain what I'm doing. So, the reason I'm doing this is I had the engine on the engine hoist like it is, and I did some measuring, and I didn't think it would go all the way in and set my engine down on the motor mounts. Wouldn't have enough space with that, Firebird nose out on the front. And then second of all, I did a test back away from the car, see how high this engine hoist could go with all of this on there. And let's just say it was a lot more sketchy than I wanted to deal with it, especially hanging over brand new paint. Because let's just say I probably would have had to come in over the driver's side front fender, and I don't want to scratch anything. So I just decided, well, the easiest thing to do, pull off the nose and the core support, and I got a nice easy path in here and a lot less chances to scratch my car or drop an engine if it's way up high or anything crazy like that. So really it's not too bad. Let's see, on the lower valance, it's 2, 4, 6 bolts, that's off. On the nose cone assembly itself, it's really only 4 bolts, 2 on each side of the subframe. Yeah, and now we're on to the core support. I took out the little wing supports that go up in the fender. So I should have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then my my bushings to hold the core support, and then this is out. So I figured I did part of it. I mean, I've done some videos in the past, me throwing on parts and getting stuff. This is a little more interesting, being that it's a painted car, so I don't know how well this will shimmy out. Trying to wiggle the core support out, but oh yeah, I forgot 3 bolts for the hood latch assembly too, but that ain't really that bad to get it down to this far. I think it took me about half hour, 45 minutes, and I was trying to be real nice and slow so I didn't drop any beautiful painted parts, anything like that. So I guess I'll set you up on a different camera angle, and we'll get to removing this core support and get that out of there and go from there. Hey, and there we go. Plenty of room to slide an engine in. That's a lot less sketchy than going up and over. All right, everyone. Yeah, I think that's it. This might be a short video. I'll put a link somewhere around over here on one of these screens showing how I kind of, or maybe a couple of links on how I put this stuff together back before this thing was painted. So if you guys are interested and come across this video and want to see how that's done, I'll show you that. Other than that, I think the engine install probably going to take me a little longer. And I'm trying to keep my videos not, 30, 40, 50 minutes long if I can help it. So, yeah, I guess that'll be it for tonight's video. Let's see, what's next? Well, hopefully slipping the thing you're sitting on right where I'm sitting. And hopefully that goes smooth. I still got to jack up the back end on this a little bit, so when I get the transmission under, I can shimmy under. Then I'll show you that nifty, neat cross member I got for this thing. That'll help with things being not made necessarily for what they're doing. But yeah, other than that, I think that's all I got for tonight. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.